Alright, welcome back. In this video we're going to be looking at how we solve equations involving brackets. So let's get started with our first one. Now remember, we need to distribute our brackets, or distribute the value at the front across its two terms. So if we got 3 2x plus 5, what's hidden in here is implied multiplication. Okay, so this isn't 3 bracket 2x plus 5, this is 3 multiplied by 2x plus 5 is equal to 9. So in order to solve, we firstly have to expand these brackets. And we do that by multiplying the number at the front by the first term and then the number by the second term. And we have to make sure that we are looking at our sign to make sure that we are making the right choices. Alright, so let's do that right now. So 3 times 2x, well that's just going to be 6x, and 3 times 5 is going to be 15, and it's not just any 5, it's 3 times positive 5. So 6x plus 15 is equal to 9. Now we're in our regular equation format and we can solve for our polynomial. We have plus 15 here, we want to take away 15 from both sides. So we're left with 6x is equal to 9 minus 15, which is going to be equal to negative 6. Alright, now divide both sides by our coefficient. So 6x divided by 6 is just x, and negative 6 divided by 6 is just negative 1. Alright, let's look at b. So for b, we have 4x minus 3 is equal to negative 8. Now, in order to solve, we need to expand this first. So 4 times x, well that's just 4x. And then 4 times negative 3 is minus 12, is equal to negative 8. Let's add 12 to both sides. And then we're left with 4x is equal to negative 8 plus 12, which is just 4. And divide both sides by our coefficient. So 4x divided by 4 is just x, and 4 divided by 4 is just 1. Alright, looking at C, we have 5 bracket 2x plus 1 is equal to 35. Expanding this bracket, we do 5 times 2x, which is going to be equal to 10x, and then 5 times positive 1, which is just plus 5. Now let's take away 5 from both sides to do the opposite of this particular operation, and we're left with 10x is equal to 35 minus 5, which is equal to 30. Now we just have to divide both sides by our coefficient. Dividing 10x by 10 just gives x, and dividing 30 by 10 gives 3. Alright, looking at our next one, D, we have 2 bracket 4x minus 6 is equal to negative 4. So 2 times 4x, well that's equal to 8x, and then 2 times negative 6 is equal to negative 12. We just want to do the opposite. We want to add 12 to both sides to get rid of this term here. And we're left with 8x is equal to 4 plus 12, which is equal to 8. Divide both sides by 8, and we get x is equal to 1. Alright, that's it for this video. Hopefully it's helpful, and I will see you in the next one.